God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million. Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming. Tell us something, girlfriend.
What's up, again? It's a girl, Abbi.
And your boy, CAPO.
And guys, when you back with another video for you, yeah, if I did the challenge, you're going to see what the blazing video was.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a challenge. I was there with a video.
You flex, you know, you flex and thing, you know.
So guys, as you can see by the title, we're going to our room tour because we never get a chance to do it yesterday.
Yeah.
And guys, we're busy put on fake tattoo today.
Among other things. So,
what will I do? What else will I do? Up and down, yeah, with the up and down also. So guys, now after 5 now, I was going to the room tour, you know, because the lady just finished. You know, she just finished.
yeah, clean the room.
Yeah, clean the room. So we go best say, we see her, Sasha go watch me. Make sure you watch me, you know.
So if you're not new to the channel, make sure to subscribe,
like,
and share our videos.
and comment, guys. Leave a comment and make sure to follow Panogram down below.
Follow up on the gram. We want to reach 10K on the gram, so go follow me right now.
Yeah, guys, don't forget to swipe up things. So follow, follow me now. I want to go over to Abbi and CAPO Comedy TV.
Don't forget to go over to Abbi's Madness. Yeah. And go over to CAPO's TV.
Dirty boy,
Yeah.
the dirty boy,
Yeah.
CAPO. So guys, we just sit back, relax, and go look on the room tour.
So forward, you know, forward.
I would have man come and knock up in a nice clean apartment, hotel and so. No man, them out to order.
Oh,
What you want?
I heard they're doing a room tour, and I'm just here to, you know, want to swab on their room, so just come tell me, please.
Oh, so you want some nice clean room also?
If you want to share with me, my love, you want to share it?
We do ask it. Come
All
over
right.
there. We're going to start over there. Alright.
Okay, start from the top, ready?
So guys, over here is the closet, right? Don't you have some good?
Yes,
Some good?
yes.
Alright, over here is the closet. Oh, look at iron. Iron board. The hangers right here. Iron wall,
Okay, how much am in there, so?
About 20 odd.
Okay, my friend.
Yeah, and it can slide and so, you know, it can slide and so if thief come, you can hide in there. Yeah, we're gonna open this now.
What's there?
Shoes.
Oh.
The people them man shoes and so I don't know why I put in shoes up there, you know. I will have an umbrella here, so.
Okay.
I will look safe here, so, but guess what? No one is safe.
No one is
No
safe.
one is safe, not even safe we are trust. Yeah. Lock it back and so come. Wait.
Yes.
Bathroom.
Oh, wow.
Pause. So come here, sir. Now you got a little shower right here, right? You see?
You have any difficulties? Oh! Okay.
Come here, sir. So yeah. You know, we're not good girl. So seven, only for the going to the pool and chlorine liquid and so. And you know I was shooting the eye for the going to the salt water. All I gotta do is turn on this to get a shower up here. But you have to be careful right here. Because it get hot and cold same time, but you have to move over, adjust it to get a different temperature. Alright? And then you go over right here. Turn on this, and you know, likewise, yeah. Turn on.
That's a mirror up there?
Oh yeah, you can look at your good self.
What?
You can look at your good self. Yes,
lie. Yes, man.
you can look at your good self. But last night I saw my beard, and I saw good girl I go. Yeah, so good girl I go. Yeah.
Oh, what else? What else?
But
Tell me one
I
more.
enjoy.
May I enjoy?
Oh guys, we're at the Grand Palladium. When it name
Yeah, you the right one.
Grand Palladium?
Grand Palladium Hotel. Lady Hamilton in the road, yeah.
Yeah guys, Grand Palladium. Okay, now we're gonna close it. And you know they have to give you this, right?
What's that?
They have to leave this. That's when they step on the shower. You have to step on it to prevent you from sliding.
Okay.
Alright, come with me, come with me. Now I'm gonna over here, right? Come on, don't be shy.
I'm here.
It's the people who love shit and so I don't know, it's like them know me, them know something about me. Cause them give me 3 tissue, them give me 3 tissue, go yeah. 1 tissue like this so, 1 there so, and 1 here so.
Wow.
Cause them know so only good girl love shit. Them know so only good girl like to shit.
So Mary, you say your favorite place to be other than Dollar Tree?
Did I tell you?
Yeah.
I will tell you.
Are you? You don't be up on YouTube, but you love shit.
I love do the short,
I know.
do the LT.
What you show now?
Alright guys, I'm not sure what the hell is this, but I'm gonna say it can turn on.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not sure about it. It can turn on. And you know you got a nice little light right here. I have your good stay good mirror ass, so yes, that can be on my dirty camera ass, so yes. Come back here, sir. What happened? What to brush teeth?
I don't know what in the fuck.
I assume that when you brush your teeth, you can use it to do something. I use it to take pills. I don't know. But you know you got the soap right here. Me put it in there. I think I me put it in there.
Yeah.
You have the little sink base, so I nice and up look on it. Fancy look like one bowl where it eats soup. Soup and so. Now come right over here. Oh, this is my toothpaste. So right now, they give you what is? Lotion, body lotion,
Yeah.
2.
Shower gel.
2 shower gel, 2 what is?
Shampoo.
Shampoo, 2 conditioner.
Yeah.
This is our Dove soap and our toothpaste.
Okay.
For 4 towels, 2 bathing rag, 2 hand towel, yeah. Them set it up really nice and so, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, guys. So, if you don't follow us on Snapchat, so you know, we're not going to see what the big madness in this tub right here, in this tub. But let us start up on the outside. You know, they have this right here. For no, tell me. When you come out of this, you place it right here. That's when you step out, you can dry off and don't slip and fall. Alright. In a nice clean tub now, me and the people, them man, I saw me relax last night. I'm going to say CAPO, and he say, yeah, Abbi. I'm going to say, watch ya. And he said, wow. I see what's up going in here, people. See what's up going in here. Look at the tub. Water come out of here, water come out of there, water come out everywhere. Yes. Guys, look at them decoration in the mirror here. Everywhere you turn, you can see your good body self. Everywhere you turn, you see your good body self. It's that truth. That would be nice. Grand Palladium. Grand Palladium.
It have a buzz.
Over here, up.
Buzzy bad.
Buzz bad.
Okay. So, let me take my time. A long time I want to see that part of the room, so tell me what I go on now.
But first, you gotta stop right there, taking a view.
Okay.
Yeah, taking the mirror on the wall, guys. Yeah, mirror on the wall. Yeah, mirror on the wall. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so this is a nice little piece. I love this. Because when I have my own house and saw them something I like. And look at some of everyone I turn must stay up with body. Even though good girl I can stay bad right now, but yeah. But it's still up. Yeah, come. On the stop yesterday now.
Stop right there, so. Lord, what am I
Yeah, this is my makeup. I did my makeup earlier, so therefore I have to leave my things out. You know, because I don't want to pack them up, because I'm not done here. I'm not going for now. Yeah, right here, sir. Yeah. Up here, sir, now. Come here, sir. What a nice TV. I'm not telling you that, guys. You see, so many times I'm afraid because when I feel like say somebody had camera in the TV and so I just get traumatized the hotel. I don't know something about it.
Paranoid.
Yeah, paralyzed, something. I was paralyzed, paranoid. I said that. Yeah. And you know I'm just place the things I'm up here because that's something I use every day. So therefore them are going to inside. So sorry about that. In here, so now you have the coffee maker, the things them for make tea, and the cup and the saucer them available. You know, not much, because I'm not a coffee lover.
Okay.
Right here now, we got.
Next side.
Right here now, we got like 4 water bottles, 4 red strawberry, which I don't drink. 1 Coca-Cola, I think it was 2, but kept your teeth 1.
Yep.
Yeah, and you know, 2 sodas. You know them up and this is an all-inclusive hotel, so in a tree where they can drink all they want, because they refill every morning. Yeah, come. nice. Look what this. What
Look
is?
at it. Look at the counter. I don't know.
Something. It have one with itself. No. What is so? Favorite part.
Oh,
The bed.
most
The bed.
the bed are your favorite part.
The bed.
That's the one that work.
The bed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I don't know what size bed this CAPO.
Yo, I don't know. Double? No. King? Probably one king
I
size.
assume this is like a king size bed or queen size. No, king
A
size
king, man.
called the queen.
Not so bad though.
Yeah, the queen is so bad. Yeah guys, and it actually comfortable. It can sleep on. Yeah. And you can see me like the look mirror where you over here. So even though I'm not treat like mirror over my head when I sleep, now I'm not told, oh look up there. So.
Whoa.
Now I'm not told like no fun, no. When over my head, now no, yeah, but it's alright. It's alright. I got on my back. On a nice little bed head.
Yeah.
And you know I have a little bedside table right here. Zoom in on this now. Yeah. And you know you got this picture for me. No, really.
It's just
I
an
don't
art.
see what the purpose, yeah, I don't see what the purpose there, but I should have made them have up there.
Legendary.
But you know, move on. So, you know guys, over here, so we have another, we call it bedside light.
Yeah, look at bed
And
light.
you look at bed table right here. I have the telephone, that's if you need room service. I say, and if you need, what you call it, the thing that will drive some, come pick
Yeah.
up, I say, ooh!
Shuttle service, yeah.
And if, yeah, the remote, turn on the TV like this.
But we don't watch TV still.
Yeah guys, we're not a TV watcher,
Not
stick
TV.
the laptop and stuff. No, over here, so you have the big couch.
Oh.
But guys, let's get some luggage in the couch. We don't want to go now because I want to without the luggage, you know.
Yeah.
You know, but you know.
But at least, man. Them
Yeah,
understand.
guess what, guys? You can sleep in here. In here so big and nice. You come like a king size couch.
Ha!
Watch here. And more space still left. Nice and comfortable bed. Grand Palladium. And guys, I just can see more art over here. So, but as I say, I should have made them about there. I can't understand me in the room and be above over me. Me in the room and be above over me. I don't understand, sir. I have a look cute light here. Yeah, you know. Alright, that's all. Yeah, you have some good cover?
Yeah, man.
Look back. Yeah, guys. Yeah, what is this cover?
Center table, yeah.
I don't know what this is, but you know, I something. You look like what matter me green for? Ew.
You can't green so.
But green up now.
But
Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm looking center. Well, CAPO said it's a center table. Me say it's a
What?
chair.
it's a hybrid.
But I don't know why, guys. But as you can see, I want to look a nice something. Yeah. No good guy in a one that cup. Hey, them some nice see man, but yeah.
Comfortable like a chair or sock.
And the chair I this come like a king size. Comfortable bed. Two of them, you know, guys. Two of them, watch ya. My left hand is to you, so two. Yeah, nice Grand Palladium room. I know you have to come in them, right? They say, won't just come over here, so. I said, no man, CAPO look like them people, they can't see us, But when I realized that really, I said, we said, not today. And that's how we go. Privacy. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to show up on the balcony. I want to my police. Have you end up police? Guys, we're in a fun, so okay, I guess we really enjoy ourselves. You know, people got something to do. Oh, Daddy, how many of this? Yeah, guys, outside is very hot, so good girl. Don't take off this right about now. But a good city in my shoulder, Jesus. Yeah, guys, so as you can see right there, so what is called?
Look at me, call. Look at bamboo looking chair, man.
Both of them because this room was booked for 2 adults. You know, say, come like say 2 everything with the exception of the bed and the bathroom and so. Yeah, when you get to know one look, you know, sit wears and so, right? You know, nice little summer there.
Little table for smoke and
table and the
drink
ashtray
from.
too. Yeah, you just come up on the balcony. Burn your cigarette and so and go some, yeah, they look at drinks and go some, 2 times. I go some. Yeah, and I want that. Grand Palladium.
Out the door, look.
Show them the view.
We're in a fall outside right now still, people, you know. It's a lovely view still. On a sunny day, it would be a lovely view, but right now, it's really bad.
Yeah, guys, the ocean actually look nice at daytime. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Back inside. So, guys, I think this is the end of the room tour. Yeah, this is the end of the room tour. I hope you enjoy the room. As I said, Grand Palladium. Yeah.
Open enjoy the
Open
magic
enjoy the
store.
room. Open enjoy the room. I saw you know, yeah. In a up, so yeah. In here is up, Grand Palladium.
Yeah, so big up on yourself, watch the video.
Yeah, and as I say, if you don't subscribe, like,
Subscribe.
comment, and share.
Turn on the bell when you subscribe.
Yeah, because as when you drop a video, you get notified. Same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now, we're going to know.
Guys, we're going to go to 100,000 subscribers. Please share with a friend, a sister, a brother, an uncle, on everybody, and get with 100,000 subscribers.
We're asking for help to get to
Yeah,
100,000.
we're asking. Yeah, I'm also no love when one was no love when a good girl and a dirty boy when you kept us to get us there, get us here, there.
100,000.
100,000 subscribers. Yeah, so we're done.
It's about it. We are going to know. We're going to look some food eat right
Yeah,
now.
guys, we're gonna look some food. My sister will be by me. Yeah, my sister will be by me. So we're gonna look some food. Don't buy me green, no girl. Girl, do better, girl.
Do better for you.
Yeah, but you won't CAPO. Remember they talk about this some evergreen.
You see?
Guys, I went to the pool.
When I speak, I'm in big trouble.
I went to the pool and you know, good guy. When I put on things, I'm coming at the pool, I'm coming to the pool, dry up and just go lie down. So therefore, I'm gonna put on a roll, I'm not nothing. I'm in this sweater, so you know what, everything. Let's do me now. Stink mode CAPO.
Okay. I say I jump in then. Alright.
Jump in. So we jump in, I look a dirty boy when you have CAPO.
Yo. I'm grinding on right now.
Yeah, guys, so.
Go that pool and take my grind.
Yeah, brother. So, guys, this is the end of the video. So, until then.
AC gang is
Out. Bye.
That's my show.
Yeah, so you tattoo shop, tattoo good.
Bye.